Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about Angular hosting. I've already wrote a blog about that, so I'm using the same commands and the configurations that I already put in this blog. So the link is in the description, you can directly check that. So the first step of the Angular hosting is taking the production build from our development server. So use this command and paste it in the terminal. So make sure you are at the right path of our project, otherwise this command will end up in an error. This may take a while to get completed. Okay, now the build is completed. So here I am using FileZilla to upload my files to the server. So I will open FileZilla, and this is my project path. If I go to the dist folder, I can see the project named, a folder named project. So open that folder. So these are the compiled or builded files. So you just need to upload these files to the server. So I have already put the icon in the server, so I am removing that one and uploading all of the files. Okay, now the file upload is almost completed. Okay, I will go to the browser and I will see whether the files are coming right. Okay, now the website is serving as expected, but right now I have one issue. If I click on this link and if I refresh this will show you a 404 error. So in order to fix that, I need to include a htaccess file in that particular server directory, and I need to put some contents in that. So let me first create that htaccess file, and let me just open it. And okay, I will go into the blog again. I have already put the contents of this htaccess file in that blog, so you can directly copy this whole thing. So this will do some basic rerouting and some server optimizations. If you want only the redirection, you can take this part only. So the others are some kind of optimization part. Anyway, I will copy the whole part and upload it again to the server. Okay, now the redirection issue should be fixed. Okay. Yeah, right now I'm getting the correct expected result. Let me just check the functionality part. Okay, great. It's working as expected.